about to get my fall seed started. I'm going to be planting inside this cell kit. There's 72 cells in each kit, and I have 2 of them. So that's what I'm starting with. I'm on beginner gardening. I'm not trying to overdo it, even though there's lots of fall vegetables I would like to try. I'm going to be starting with these seeds first. I already have beans out there, but I still want to plant some more beans. I love beans. So I'm going to be planting, I'll show y'all, beans, cabbage, spinach. And it don't take much seeds to get it started. A little seeds go a long way. Beets, gourmet greens, and broccoli. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be buying something else within the next day or 2. But if I do, I will show y'all. I'm going to start with this cell. After I get all the soil and seeds in the cells, I'll be spraying it down with water. While they're inside the home, I'll be spraying it once a day, like a light moist spray. And then I'll be using this seed start mix. Some people use like a potted soil. A lot of people say seed start mix works just fine. And some people say it didn't work that good for them. So it's kind of like a mixed review, but hey, I'm a beginner. So if you're a beginner, just try it for yourself. Just start the seed start mix. And but yeah, let's get started. First, what I'm gonna do is pour the starting mix inside. And I got this plastic cloth down on the table because I know I'm gonna make a mess, and it's okay. I'm gonna pour this soil mix into the cells. Just spread it out just like that. It's okay. That's what planting's all about, getting dirty in a fun way. Actually therapeutic. I love planting. It took a while for me to get to the point of wanting to plant vegetables and flowers because I wasn't really into it. I like seeing it, but I didn't want to do the work. Once I started, I was like, I actually love this. This is really therapeutic. And being able to say you grew your own vegetables, most of them, it's rewarding. More ways than one. So if you're a beginner gardener like me, just start with just take baby steps. Don't overdo it. Don't feel like you have to plant a lot of stuff and then overwhelm yourself, because the more you plant, the more you have to take care of it. And every vegetable, I mean, they're not every vegetable, but different categories, they're different. They need different nutrients. They need different amount of water, sunlight, or shade. I'm almost done with this seal. And I would suggest take the time and plant things that you know that you're going to eat. Not just to say, don't plant it just so it can waste later. You don't have no one to give it to, or you have to throw it away. That's a lot of hard work and money, time, just to go to waste. Okay. I think this is good enough. Okay, that looks good. And this is how it looks. Next, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do the greens first. And these seeds cost like $3.49, but I noticed like when I went to Walmart, it was more than, it was $1 less. You see, this is how, I don't know if you can see it. This is how the seeds look, the leaf seeds. And then what I do is you could take this is a straw, so you could take anything, a pencil, a stick, or whatever, and then just make a little hole in the cell. And I'm going to use this section. And then you want to make sure you get a label and a marker, or label and a marker to mark your section, because you don't want to forget what you plant and how many cells. And they don't have to be real deep or anything either. And all you have to do is just pinch and drop the seeds in each hole that you just created. I started a garden 2 years ago, and I actually started planting some things. After a couple times of water it, I was like, forget that garden, and I let it go. Unfortunately. Okay, so once you got the seeds in there, just lightly cover it back up. After I get all the seeds that I want in this whole container, that's when I will spray it. And what I got is these plant labels. And I forgot how much they cost. I don't know if it's a few dollars, but they look like this, the steak. So I'm gonna use a marker and just mark what I put in the cells. You see the arrow? It's letting me know everything where this steak is at to this way is the greens, gourmet greens. So now I got all the cells filled with the seeds. And I'm getting ready to spray them, get them moist. And then I'm going to show y'all. It's an LED light. It helps the plant grow in this, because it needs good proper lighting. All I'm doing